motorcycle cruise jacket for women and leather. Really cool little features to it. One thing that was a big standout for me, the sleeves are long enough. I have long arms and I always seem to have the problem where my jacket sleeves come up to here, and this is actually fully extended and it barely shows my wrist, which is great for when you wear like gauntlet gloves or it's cold weather riding and you want to make sure that you don't get cold air up your sleeves, so you can put your gloves either over or under and it still keeps the air out. So that's really, really nice. It also has expandable sleeves, makes it easier to get the glove gauntlet inside. A lot of extra room here, so if you're wearing armor underneath, you'd be able to slide that in pretty easily. It's also very helpful. I really like, there's some very feminine leather detailing here. It's braided leather from here all the way up, and adds a nice little feminine accent, as well as ruching all across the back, which is, well, you know, creates a little bit of an A-line waist, and it's elastic, so it helps, you know, be more fitted to keep air from running up underneath when it's cold as well. General crossover that you get with leather jackets to help, you know, prevent moisture and rain coming in, and pockets are nice and deep, which is also really nice. It also has pockets on both sides, which I always find extremely helpful because, you know, sometimes you're holding things in the other hand and sometimes you need more than one pocket worth of stuff to be held so you don't have to carry a whole bag with you when you're riding. It's also really nice that the leather flaps snap down, and the snap feels pretty heavy and durable, so I'm not too worried about them busting or breaking or popping off as sometimes they do. So overall, pretty nice jacket, very nice liner. It's summertime here, so I'm a little bit sweltering, but this feels like it would be very nice for the winter, especially with, you know, keeping the air from going in underneath and along the sleeves. And the leather feels really nice and thick, so if I ever went down, see if I see it.